Lemus Family Wines. Welcome, amigos y amigas, to a captivating world of Losian, Sonoma County, where the spirit of Latino winemaking dances in harmony with tradition and innovation. Today, we embark on a remarkable journey with the Lemus Family Wines. The family came together in the pandemic to pursue a dream of leaving a legacy. Steeped in passion and driven by profound love for the wine, the Lemus family has crafted a legacy of excellence. From their sun-kissed vineyards to their meticulous winemaking process, every bottle tells a story of dedication and artistry. But their impact extends far beyond the cellar doors. With an unwavering commitment to the community engagement, the Lemus family uplifts and empowers, enriching the lives of those around them. Through educational initiatives, cultural celebrations, and a deep sense of social responsibility, they have become beacons of change in Sonoma County. Join us as we uncork the inspiring story of Lemus Family Wines, where heritage, passion, and community come together to create a symphony of taste and unity.
During the pandemic in 2021, our family was meeting on Zoom, and we missed each other, but we couldn't visit each other because the pandemic was strong. And so one of the cousins said, hey, why don't we try making some wine? And we found a winemaker that was willing to work with us. And then we asked our cousins, we have many cousins here in Sonoma County, who wanted to be involved. And 15 cousins got together and decided to form Lemus Family Wines. And so we decided to focus on family and really pay tribute to our grandparents. My grandfather was a farm worker who moved here from Fresno in 1960s. So he was a farm worker here in Sonoma County. He worked in a lot of the vineyards locally. And so we thought it would be a good tribute to make our wine and honor them. So if you look at the bottle of our wine, you'll see a house, and that house is the first house our grandparents bought. We had a Chardonnay, a 2019 Chardonnay, and a 2019 Cabernet that we worked with our winemaker to make. And so this was our first wine, and we decided to enter into the Harvest Festival. And we won silver medals on our first try without even knowing, because it's really good. We're fortunate that our cousins have different backgrounds and skills that they bring to our company. We have accountants and lawyers and business professionals, insurance brokers that help our business. So we just created 3 new wines that we're really excited about. We have a 2020 Cabernet Sauvignon, a 2020 Petit Syrah, and also a 2022 Chardonnay that we're just releasing this month of June. Our hope is that we will have a tasting room soon, within the next year or so. And we would like to continue making great wine for Sonoma County and beyond.
Representation.
Legacy.
Unity.
Familia.
Delicious.
Dedication.
Orgullo.
Representation in the wine industry matters. There's not very many Latino-owned wine labels. What's also important is that we are a majority female wine label, and we want to make sure that we represent our communities well.
Legacy. Because every family wants to leave their legacy. Just as our grandparents did with us, working in the vineyards, through hard work, sacrifice, they left us hope and their legacy. And now it's our turn to be able to leave our legacy to our children, our family, in honor of our grandparents, our Papa Mani.
Unity brings a family together, not only with food, but also with wine.
Familia, it's brought us that much closer, expresses the love we have for one another. Nothing else than enjoying a glass of wine with our familia.
Delicious. I'm just so proud of the wine that we made with our family. It goes with so many different foods, and it really is very delicious.
Dedication, a dedication to our past, our future, our family, and our community.
Orgullo. I am orgullosa doing this business in the wine country with my sisters and my primas, and I am sure my grandfather up in the heavens, Papa Mani, is proud of his chuladas.